Prior to magnafluxing, the head must be clean, dry, and free from any oil or grease. Then simply place the magnet on the head and sprinkle on the powder real lightly. As you do, you can begin to see the powder outlining the crack. It is beneficial to blow off some of the excess powder. Magnafluxing works best when the line of the crack runs between the poles of the magnet. As you can see, this head has a considerable amount of crack both on the surface and in the combustion chamber. The dye penetrant system is also very easy to use. The first step is to simply spray on the dye in the area that you're inspecting for the cracks. And then we just sit back and wait for about 10 minutes to allow the dye to soak into the crack. After waiting for the dye to penetrate into the crack, simply wipe off the excess. At this point, you'll use the step 2 of the process, which is the cleaner or emulsifier, and this helps you get all the residue off. If you don't clean it real well, you're not going to get an accurate test, because what we're looking for in the end result is for the dye to soak back out of the crack. Once we get it all dried off, the third step is to use the developer. Lightly dust on the developer so that you don't get it on real wet. As you can see, the developer is a white powder. This helps outline the crack as the dye seeps back out of the crack. Now you can see the crack becoming outlined in the white powder. Here on the surface it's much more visible. This process also works very well on aluminum castings that are not magnetic.